Hello everyone! In this video I will make a very delicious chocolate cream for the cake, which in the future I will use for filling the biscuit cake, as well as for decorating cupcakes. The recipe for this chocolate cream is very simple. Sour cream is the basis of this chocolate cake cream. We also need cognac for flavoring. This, of course, optional. I will also use sugar, cocoa powder and a little butter in this recipe. This is all. The main advantage of this cream is that it is chocolate, but made with regular cocoa powder. Sour cream and butter will replace cocoa butter, which is commonly used in chocolate production. If you calculate the cost of such a cream, then the replacement cocoa butter for butter and sour cream makes this cream 2 times cheaper. First, I will prepare a mixture of cocoa powder, sugar and sour cream. This will be the base of the chocolate cream. As you know, cocoa is also beans, so I will use the viscosity of cocoa proteins. Beans need to be boiled. So let's do it. First of all, I will mix sour cream, sugar and cocoa powder, and then cook this mixture on low heat. The protein of the cocoa powder will increase in volume and I will beat it with a mixer. After that, the mixture of cocoa and sour cream and sugar must be cooled to room temperature. Now I'm going to whip the butter. Of course, it is better to use butter that contains 82 to 83% fat. There is practically no liquid in this butter after whipping the cream. Butter should be warmed up to room temperature. It should become plastic, soft. I beat the butter for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now I will combine butter and cocoa with sour cream. This is a very interesting process. At first you will see that the cream is exfoliating all the time. But then the cream will begin to acquire the correct consistency. By the way, you first beat a little with a mixture of cocoa powder, boiled with sour cream and sugar. This mixture should become more viscous. Now I add whipped butter. I will do it in several steps. The cream will acquire a plastic consistency. I also add a little cognac to the chocolate cream for cupcakes and biscuit cake. You can also use various essences and liqueurs as a flavoring agent. Use flavorings that you like. Finally, the chocolate cream for the cake is ready. It can be used for desserts such as cakes, biscuits, cupcakes, eclairs, for filling cakes and for cake covers. This cream is very plastic, it can be wonderful decoration. I will be using chocolate cream to decorate the biscuit cake. I have already baked the biscuit. You can watch this video, it's already on the channel. Unfortunately, that's all for now. If you liked the video, please like it, I will be very pleased. Bye, see you soon.